Hi, I'm Dan Duran, Chairman of the Rex Roundtables for Leaders Personal Training Manager Roundtable and Vice President of Lionel University Global. Are you a fitness business owner or manager struggling to build a successful personal training program? Then you won't want to miss my session at the Rex Roundtables Leadership Academy. I'll be diving deep into the critical elements of a thriving training department. We'll cover everything from attracting and hiring top-notch trainers to creating a seamless onboarding process that sets them up for success. We'll also tackle the crucial issue of trainer retention, sharing strategies to keep your best talent engaged, educated, and motivated. Finally, we'll demystify trainer levels and pricing structures, giving you a clear roadmap for maximizing revenue. This is your chance to gain actionable insights and network with other industry leaders. Join me at the Rex Roundtables Leadership Academy this July in New York. Let's build stronger, more profitable personal training programs together. I look forward to seeing you there.